Yeah. Now I want to share with you a course that I've designed to help people reprogram themselves at a very high level, moving into their higher mind. With this course that I built that begins in February, it's 4 Saturdays in February, February 7, 14, 21, and 28, for a couple hours in the late morning on the West Coast here. So that would be early evening in Europe. It's about mindset training because the miracle mind only sees miracles. It only sees love. It doesn't have a capacity to embody fear. It only sees heaven. And so I thought to design a course that will really root this deeply for people. Miracle mindset technology in regarding to forgiveness and learning how to root all the concepts I've shared with you. Because we'll have a lot of one-on-one attention in this course where you'll be able to bring your story and one-on-one, I'll open it with you in a small sacred circle with others that are supporting your evolution as well. Yeah, miracle mindset technology. Learning to forgive all your family members, your partners, your siblings, your children, your cousins, your uncles, your aunts, your lovers, all the exes. This technology has the ability to help you erase the traumatic imprints that are in your subconscious. And that sets your mind free. It gives you more space for holding peace and love in your beingness. When we're not dragging around what's under the carpet in the subconscious, which is a lot of guilt and shame, things that happened from the time we were born until this day. We couldn't process it, so it got swept under the carpet. Well, I learned how to do this technology, and I healed 17 years of a chasm, of a huge separation between my three sons and their mother. And it only took me a couple of weeks of practicing this technology every day. And then all of a sudden, she shows up in my life like the last 17 years didn't even exist. So that's why I call it technology. I saw the science behind what was happening. When I learned to thoroughly clean and pull up all the weeds and the roots of the weeds in my subconscious mind in regard to them, when that garden was completely clean, all of a sudden, we're communicating again on a very friendly level. It was shocking to me in a really good way. We had the first hug and looked into each other's eyes and sat down and started talking. The woman I had lived with for 16 years and had 3 children at home, there was my best friend once again. Whereas 17 years had gone by where she would not speak to me. And so my experience of her not speaking to me and being very nasty when I reached out to apologize or even connect was that, this wasn't going to be possible ever. So it's not true. Yeah, things can be turned around. So I highly recommend that you check out what's being offered. All the details are on the site about what's going to happen each week, what the approach is going to be, and how there'll be a lot of space for you to have one-on-ones with me because it's a small class. So highly recommend coming to Miracle Mindset Technology. Forgiveness for all of your relationships through technology that is like related to Ho'oponopono. Yeah. It's related to spiritual science. And it's very strongly rooted in the original teachings of Jesus. Yeah. So I hope you consider coming and showing up for that. All right. Well, if this becomes a clip, there'll probably be a link down below for you to go to the page and read all the details of the course. It's extremely reasonably priced. I'm charging less than what I charge for 1 hour of counseling. You get 4 Saturdays of 2 hours each. Yeah. So check it out. And I hope to see you there. Or if you know somebody who's grieving, going into a divorce or coming out of one, or a breakup, or they lost a loved one, this is the perfect course for them to rebalance and restabilize. Yeah. So, with all of that, I guess we'll close this session. And once again, thanks for everybody showing up. And I hope to see you in the course. Yeah. So, aloha. Much love to you. Aloha nui. And ahui ho till we meet again. Once again, malama pono, which means take the best care of yourself.